Good morning, it's Thursday the 18th of August and this is your daily outlook. The US dollar edged higher against high-yielding currencies such as the Aussie and the Euro, but fell against safe haven currencies such as the Swiss franc and the Japanese yen. Producer price index in July came in higher than expected, showing a 7.2% gain, higher than market expectations. Versus the Swiss franc, the dollar rallied to 0.8016 from 0.7769. Against the Japanese yen, the dollar edged slightly lower at 76.60 from 76.92. Focus turns to inflation data from the US expected at 12:30 p.m. GMT. The euro edged lower against a basket of currencies on escalating concerns over the Eurozone debt crisis and slow global growth. Against the greenback, the euro dipped to 143.82 from 145.17. Versus the Swiss franc, the single currency jumped to 115.15 from 113.67 today on the talks the Swiss National Bank was intervening in the market to stop the franc from rising further. The British pound fell yesterday off the dovish Bank of England minutes and disappointing jobs data, but later recovered to a 2.5-month high at 165.92 against the dollar from 63.48. The minutes revealed the two hawkish MPC members withdrew their vote for a rate hike, which resulted in an unanimous decision to keep interest rates on hold. In addition, employment figures unexpectedly rose to 7.9% from a previous 7.7%, and focus turns to UK retail sales expected at 09:30 a.m. GMT. Oil prices fell to $86.79 a barrel from $88.94. Gold edged higher from $1,795.57 an ounce from $1,778.85. Silver also ticked higher to $40.56 an ounce from $39.77. Now moving on to the currencies to watch out for. Euro USD pivot point 143.50 with preference to go long at 143.60. USD Japanese yen pivot point is 77 with preference to short at 76.95. The Aussie dollar USD is pivot point is 104.70 with preference to go long at 104.70. The cable pivot point is 164.75 with preference to go long at 164.85. USD CAD pivot point is 0.9860 with preference to short at 0.9860. And now the commodities to look out for. Oil pivot point is $85.60 with preference to go long at $85.60. Gold pivot point is 1,778 with preference to go long at 1,778. And silver pivot point is $39.80 with preference to go long at $39.80. Now let's have a look at today's calendar and market movers. UK retail sales in July is forecast to gain 0.3%. US initial jobless claims is forecast to rise to 400,000. US consumer price index in July is forecast to gain 0.2%. And US existing home sales in July is forecast to gain 3.8%. Now onto the equities markets. US equities were positive on Wednesday with the S&P 500 trading at 0.09% and the Dow Jones up 0.04%. European bourses were mixed with the FTSE trading down minus 0.49%, the DAX down minus 0.77% and the CAC up 0.73%. The Nikkei and the Hang Seng at the time of writing are trading down minus 1.25% and minus 0.47% respectively. This has been your Daily Outlook. My name is James from the Dealing Room. Have a great trading day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.